Hi everybody, I'm Nani Vazana. I'm a singer-songwriter. I play piano, but I also play trombone. I fell in love with the instrument when I was 9 years old, but it took me 3 years to convince my dad to allow me to study it. Recently I toured the United States. I played amazing shows. This is the poster from the Library of Congress show, and I also did a showcase at NAMM, which is a conference in California, where also instrument manufacturers showcase their work. So I got to meet Mike from B.A.C Instruments, and I tried a bunch of his trombones which he crafted by hand with hammers and his stand, and my mind was blown, and I realized I need a trombone upgrade. Sorry, babe. So I'm in conversation with Mike to make a custom-made instrument for my needs, and I'd like to modify everything about the instrument, including the materials. So I like to make the bell, the part where the sound comes from copper, so that will allow me to sound deeper and darker and mellower, and also play the first note already the way it's supposed to sound. And I'd like to make the slide, the part that you get in and out when you want to play, from nickel, which will make the overall weight of the instrument lighter, but also more agile, so I'll have to be able to play, like, fast passages like really easily. Then I also want to make the instrument smaller. As you can see, it's almost as big as me, so when you try to board a plane with this kind of instrument, they kind of try to kick you out of the plane, or at least your instrument. So the new instrument will be smaller and fit the overhead cabins, so I can basically take my trombone with me on board. The coolest thing about this modification is that I can get to design the instrument as well. So I like to showcase this symbol, which is the symbol of my grandmother's tribe, the Tuareg tribe from Morocco. My grandmother was the one who inspired me to sing in Ladino and eventually also write new songs in Ladino. So I'd like to put this emblem right here and make a huge, beautiful, very visible tribute to my heritage, and basically every show will become a tribute to my grandmother as a result. And this is where you come in. Because B.A.C Instruments have offered me to match any donation that I will receive through this crowdfunding and create a beautiful new custom-made instrument for me. So we'll make a bunch of merch that you can get as a reward if you'll support this campaign. We'll make this emblem printed on t-shirts, tote bags, and also onesies for babies. I heard that some people get them for dogs and cats as well. I mean, that's cool too. We'll also offer songs recorded on demand and house concerts, and of course the usual suspects such as CDs and vinyls, etc., bracelets, and all that jazz. So I hope you'd like to support this crowdfunding campaign. Read the description below, click the links, choose your favorite reward. And the plan is to collect the instrument next February, where I'll be touring the United States again and showcasing with a new instrument at South by Southwest Festival. So I'll see you very fast on the road, and thank you very much for your support.